3D Printable Track System by Jacob Posner with the help of mentor Dan Bakken. In order to start my engineering capstone project, I first had to come up with an idea. The idea I originally came up with was a skeezy, which is a track system that is used to push a skier. However, due to the large size and cost of the skeezy, I decided to do a smaller project that was a 3D printable track system. Once my project was decided on, I was able to begin exploring and researching my 3D printable track system by looking at other tracked vehicles. I mostly focused on snowmobiles and caterpillars because caterpillars had the chain-like track system that I was going for in my project. With all of the necessary research done, I was then able to move on to multiple stages of designs for my project. One aspect of design I focused on was the actual track itself. My original track design, seen on the left, is fairly simple. However, through multiple tests and test prints, I was able to come up with this design on the right that has many more curved edges and different features to keep dirt from getting between the links. I then decided to design my own tread that would go on these track pieces that would work good in 3D printed material and would work better than a stock tread, which did happen because my tread created more resistance than the stock tread. All I had to do then was put my tread onto my track pieces and they were completed and ready to be printed and built. My frame, on the other hand, had three main phases of design. The first of which was bad because it had three different sized bogie wheels and not enough wrap around the drive wheel. The second one didn't have a spot to mount the motor, and the third one was perfect because it had four bogie wheels of the same size and a spot to mount the motor. All that was then left to design were the wheels, which included the drive wheel, first seen with holes to drive the track, and bogie wheels for the track to drive over. I then created all of my parts, mostly using the 3D printer, but also using the laser cutter to cut my frame. I was then left with this final product that looked very good aesthetically. I then hooked up the track system to a battery and ran it, and it worked. Overall, I was happy my track system works and am ready to do more testing on different terrains. Special thanks to my mentor Dan Bakken for all of the ideas and help he has given me throughout the year.